Hello everybody. My name is Taylor. Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to tell you about 3 dividend stocks that I have bought and I will be holding forever. It doesn't matter if the stock price gets cut in half. I will never be selling these stocks. I love the companies too much. And these 3 stocks are 2 of them are powerhouse companies, and one of them is probably a company you may or may not have heard of, but they're basically everywhere in the United States, and they perform an essential service that you absolutely need. So let's get right into it. But before I start, just a disclaimer, because I know there's that one lawyer out there that's watching this video. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some dude on the internet. This is my personal opinion, and it's for entertainment purposes only. Anyways, let's get right into the stocks. The first stock I'm going to talk about is PepsiCo. I personally don't drink Pepsi. However, I buy their 24-pack of Aquafina water every single week. I always buy the 24-pack of Aquafina water. Love the stuff. It usually is the cheapest, and so that's why I buy it. Sometimes the store brand's cheaper, so I buy that. But for the most part, I buy Aquafina water every single week. And this isn't to say that if you buy a company's products that they are a great company. However, it is a good sign that if you do buy a company's products, they probably are selling those products to other people as well. PepsiCo actually has a lot of other products they sell, consumable products rather than drinkable, because I guess they're both consumable products. But they also sell things like hummus. They sell a Sauber brand hummus. I buy that all the time. Delicious. And they also have this, it's called Smart Food. That's the brand. And it's this white cheddar. It's like prepackaged popcorn. The stuff is absolutely delicious. It's always a good sign if you do buy products from the company that you like. However, we're dividend investors, and we actually care about the company's fundamentals. So let's get into the company itself. But before I do, if you could just hit that like button for me, I'd really appreciate it. It helps other people see the video. Anyways, let's get on to the company itself. So PepsiCo is an absolute powerhouse company. They have been consistently paying dividends for, 49 years straight to their shareholders. The company's revenues have also been rising throughout the years, which is always a great sign for a company that you want to invest in for the long haul. Now, their yield isn't anything to write home about. However, you're not buying PepsiCo for the yield specifically. You're buying it for the consistency. As long as they keep making their products, and as long as people keep loving their products, they will consistently pay out dividends to their investors just because they're such a great company. The bottom line here is that you'll never be seeing me selling my shares of PepsiCo just because I like the company so much. Also, if I didn't say it already, the stock ticker for this company is PEP, PepsiCo PEP. All right, so on to the second stock. Walmart is the second stock on my list, stock ticker WMT. Walmart is another just powerhouse company. Everyone knows of Walmart. Walmart consistently raised their revenues year after year, especially during this whole sickness situation. They powered through earnings during 2020, and I was actually quite amazed by it. But a lot of people were stocking up on items because they didn't know if they were going to be able to buy them or not in the future. And Walmart made a killing off of that. Now, I get that Walmart sometimes gets a lot of hate. I actually had an old roommate back in Tucson that refused to go to Walmart with me. I'd go, hey, you want to go to Walmart? And she would just say, no, I'm not going to that place. She always wanted to shop at Whole Foods or Trader Joe's or stuff like that. But however, Walmart is a great company. I personally love Walmart. I have no qualms with the company. I believe the company is the biggest employer in the United States. They employ 1.5 million people in the United States and 2.2 million people globally. Well, over 2.2 million globally. And I do really think that they live up to their slogan, save money, live better. And whether you love or hate Walmart, you got to admit that they are an impressive company. Now, not only is the company impressive, but their dividend payouts are impressive as well. Walmart has been consistently increasing their dividends since 1974. Yes, I said that right, 1974. That is incredible. Now, once again, the yield's a bit on the lower end. However, in this video, I'm focusing mostly on consistency. I'm focusing on those stocks that you buy and you hold forever because you're not worried about the company going under. Now, you probably are going to pay a bit of a premium just to invest in Walmart because everyone knows about Walmart. Everyone knows that they are such a dependable company. However, I think the price is worth it. If you have to pay a little bit over a fair value price for Walmart, I would say that it is a great company just to have a couple shares in your portfolio, just for consistency, just for dependability. And with Walmart, if the stock price gets cut, then you still get to collect those dividends year after year, quarter after quarter. All right, so on to the third company. Now, the third company is probably a company that you may or may not have heard of. It may shock you, actually. It's kind of under the radar, but I'll give you a hint. Before I tell you the company, I'll give you a hint. So say you walk into Walmart and you buy your PepsiCo product. You consume your PepsiCo product, and then you go to throw it in the trash. This company will likely be the ones that are taking that waste and disposing of it. So the third company that I would like to talk about is Waste Management, stock ticker WM. Now, Waste Management isn't the same as Walmart or Pepsi. They haven't had the dividend history that those two companies, those two extreme powerhouse companies have had. However, Waste Management is different in a way. Not to say that Waste Management hasn't been paying dividends consistently. They have. They've been paying consistently increasing dividends for the past 15 years, and they have a compound annual growth rate of 5% over the past 5 years, which is impressive in itself. Don't get me wrong, that's nothing to sneeze at. However, the beauty of Waste Management is not their dividends, but their growth. They are growing at just a crazy rate. I wouldn't say exponential rate, but they are growing at a huge rate. So like I was saying before, it's not so much the dividend side of things that I'm impressed with Waste Management. I am a dividend investor, don't get me wrong. However, it's the expansion of the company. The company just keeps expanding and expanding. Read through their investor documents, and you'll quickly realize that this company isn't coming to take part in the waste disposal space. They're coming to take over. So if you just go through the stock price history of Waste Management, you'll see that in years past, they've traded below $40 way back when. However, nowadays they're trading over $120, and I think the reason they're expanding or their stock price is going up so quickly is just because of their rapid expansion. And this company is never going away because waste disposal is something that humans will always need. So if you're looking to get into waste management, I would say that investing sooner is better than investing later, just because they're expanding so quickly, and I bet that stock price is going to go up, up, up in the future. I do not see it getting cut. I do not see it going down. So I would say sooner is better than later for this company. All right, everyone. So those are 3 stocks that I will be buying and holding forever. I will never sell these stocks. I don't care if their stock price gets cut in half. If I had to pick any 3 stocks and I didn't have these 3 stocks in my portfolio, those are the first 3 that I would pick, and I would hold them forever. I would never sell them. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you could, hit the like button on the way out. I'd really appreciate it. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.